Right. Here we go, we're doing our first pack opening of a gold upgrade. 75 FIFA points, here we go. Who are we gonna get, Don't look, man, I can't look,
Mexis.
Mexis, yes boys. Carragher, Mexis, Maluda, Store and Club. Lambert. Yeah, we'll put him in the trade pile. 150 quid. Got a big Carragher there, Store and Club.
What did you pay?
Rest of the store items of club, man. There we go, done. So now, that pack is no longer available. We cannot buy that one again.
Fuck silver, no.
No? Okay, we are going to go to
Call
the
premium.
Oh, that's 150.
Yeah, fuck it, let's do it. What's it? How's that? Why is it that? Oh, let's do it, don't care.
Oh, I can't watch because they're rare and the other one's not.
Don't care.
Can't watch.
Dead. Was it? Which one's Dead?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, is it? Oh, shit. It's alright, he's alright.
Come up for sale. Big Joe Cole. Fucking hell, man. Got Ben Foster again. Fuck that.
Quick sell. It's quick sell.
Nah. You don't want to quick sell them, bro.
They get all the players and it's quick sell.
Sorry, man. They're just taking a bit long. Still. Oh, mate, that is good. Make a couple grand out of that. You actually can make a couple grand out of that, man.
Can you fuck?
Yeah.
Steady,
List item, 150. Put him in the club, man. For you.
What's it? What we get? Yeah, get one more of them. Yeah. We can do.
Then we'll have 125 left.
And then we'll get a silver and a gold.
Oh shit.
Which ones? Yeah.
And they bought more FIFA points.
Please don't. For my money.
Tory!
Which one? Please be Yaya.
Yes, it is! Yaya Toure! Yes, boys! Fucking Yaya Toure! That's a couple hundred.
Got 1,000 gold. Do quick sell, please.
Yes, boys! Yaya Toure! What are we gonna do? Club?
Yeah.
Nah, sale.
No,
club.
Yeah, he's actually a decent player.
Club, but yeah, we want to see how much he goes for.
No, he's got Lewis contract. We'll use him until he has one contract left. And then sell him. Fatty?
Fat boy slim! List item. Oh, a bit of Trapper Tony. He will go for a tidy little profit. So will he. Thank you. I love this. This is so fun. And look at that, I got contract as well.
Right, when I get rich, we're just going to do this all day, you know that?
You're rich, that's 70 quid.
Maybe we should do another one. Should we?
Squad fitness, mate, that's another few grand there. Yes, mate, another few grand for squad fitness.
Good. Yeah, and, no, wait, we'll do one gold. One gold.
I can do that for 50.
Huh? Yeah, but shit. Then we can't do another gold. Right, one sec, you go on silver. Yeah. Oh,
fuck that!
We did one of them, but I don't want to. Yeah, I know what we're gonna do. Do that. We're gonna go silver packs. We're gonna go silver.
Yeah, which one?
And we're gonna go.
That one left.
Yeah,
then we'll have 50
premium
left in that one.
Premium silver, and then we're gonna go for the.
Next one, we're getting decent players.
Yeah, we will.
No, we won't.
Alright, fine, gold. Let's do gold.
Last pack opening of
Messi.
the session.
Come on, Messi for Messi.
Poke it on my nose. Don't look.
Get off. Haste is now. Oh, I thought it's now.
Oh man.
That's alright. We've got like.
Ain't brilliant, but
we've got a lot
still
of players.
Good. Astor.
It's not bad for just a normal gold.
Yeah, it's pretty good, man. Pretty good.
Yeah, sure. That's sick. I'm having them. That's my payment.
I'm selling them, mate.
Yeah, that's my payment.
Fuck you, I'm selling them.
Nah, fuck, that is my payment.
No, it's not. I'm selling them, mate.
But I bought the I bought the money.
I'm buying them off you.
Huh?
Quick sell. I don't want footballers. No one wants footballers.
That was alright though.
Fuck.
No, keep down. Yeah.
Store items in club. That is our pack openings. Done. 1 minute. Can we buy them with this? No, we can't.
Alright.
That is our pack openings done.